See, computer virus is a malicious code. Okay, it will execute which it is not supposed to do. It will be doing that activity. So that is called as virus. Okay. So it will be like host file or program. So anything it wants to replicate or it wants to spread, so that is called as virus. Okay, corrupting files, modifying, destroying data, all that it will do. Okay, so now we will see with one more diagram. I will get one diagram, okay, for this. Okay, copy. Let me get one diagram here. Insert. So let's say, so dormant is, it will stay there only. Okay, so it will not change it. What it will do, it will be completely acting like unknown. Okay, then it start automatically, it will start copying from one file to other. So that is called propagation. Okay, from one location to other location it will be spreading. Okay, so it will be potential to destroy. That is what it will be designed for. Okay, so let me undo this. Okay, so I will paste this one here. Okay,
I can understand. Malware is used for.
sorry,
Malware is used for protection, right?
malware.
What is the?
Yeah, you tell me what is that. See, virus, okay, let's say this is your dormant. So these are all dormant is, it will just sleeping. It will not, it has not executed. It is just like, okay, I will have my time, I will open up when my time comes. Okay. So this is a dormant stage. This is all 4 stages you will have in the virus, in computer viruses or any virus, or even in the biological, your coronavirus, all that. This is how it will spread. Okay, so once it will stay in dormant position, means it will be sleeping, the time has not come. Okay, so now the second stage will be propagation, means now it will start copying itself. It will make number of copies. Now it will spread across all the servers, all the system, all the body. Okay, this is where it will execute. Okay, it will start spreading now. Once it got spread, it will have a trigger now. Okay, so if there is any trigger, only on particular day this has to get executed. Okay, so let's say on February 14th, Valentine's Day, so someone has written a virus. Okay, only on that particular day that will get executed. Okay, so that is how the trigger will work. So this is the trigger which will execute only at that particular time. So that is the condition. So if the condition is met, it will get executed. So then once it get executed, it will have a payload. Payload means what it has to attack. So like what is that payload? Okay, so if you want to burst a balloon, okay, what you will use? You will use a needle. just a needle you will use it to burst a balloon. That is called your payload. Okay. So if you want to cut a cake, you will not use a pin, you will use a knife. Okay. That it will be, even if it is plastic also, that will work. That is because it is just a cake. Okay, you can use it. So now if you want to cut a what is that, bread, okay, or you want to cut any vegetable, so that plastic knife will not work, you need to have a metal knife. Okay. So your payload is getting changed. So now your payload got changed. So then you are using a different one, different payload. So now you want to chop off the mutton pieces or chicken. So that knife will not work. Then you will change that payload. You will change that knife. Okay. That is how you will be changing the payload. Okay. So this is what the execution is. So what needs to be done at the payload level. So whatever it is programmed, it will do like that. Now you understood all the 4 stages. Okay. So this is the diagram that it depicts, like this is how it is. So this is parent. Okay. Now this is child. Okay. So now once the date event matching, it is triggering. Okay. April 1st. 12 o'clock, 1 second. After 1 second, it has to trigger. So if this matches, then you execute that. So that is how it is done. Okay. Then it activated that payload. Okay. So deleting all files, then encrypting, doing all these. Exfiltrate means it is copying the data also. So then it is these are the examples. Okay. So how you are infecting that file. So one file, when you run it, okay, simple files with .ini or DLL in the game folder, okay, identical like glowing viral filament, okay, like that, just like a virus files. Okay, it is infecting. So this is one type of file infector. Then this is one type of boot sector virus, which will affect the first partition, first location of the hard disk. That is called boot sector virus. Then you have something called macro virus. Okay. If you open Excel file, okay, they have run some formulas. Okay. So if it is infected, then it will start running virus on your computer. It will download that virus. Then you have some other type of virus, okay, which is called polymorphic. Polymorphic means it will change its behavior, it will change its signature, means it will change his shape. It will not be detected, so that it won't get detected. So this is all the computer viruses, how this will work. So this is your overall computer virus view. Now you tell me, you understood or not?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah, tell me, Bhargavi.
sir, I show that example slides, 6 slide. Then how can we detect this polymorphic?
Polymorphic.
How can we detect, sir? It will download automatically and you can't detect. Then how we want to?
Okay, let me. So you have opened your Fedora, you connected your Fedora?
Okay, I will connect.
Straight away.
Okay.
So I am creating one file, okay, new, okay, file content, okay, I am saving it, okay. Saving it, file name on the desktop, okay.
Okay.
Created, okay, modified or accessed, all are, okay. Created is 13 seconds, modified is 14 seconds, okay.
Okay.
So this is called as metadata, data about data, okay. So I will modify this file, I will put one dot, I am saving it, okay. So now my metadata is modified, so it got modified, created
Yes.
1 minute ago, this got accessed and modified, okay. So now what I will do, okay, so I will open up one PowerShell, okay. Okay, MD5 sum is not working here, okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the file signature of abc.txt, okay. So this signature antivirus will have this number, okay. Let's say this is the virus, okay. So if this detects it, then it will tell, okay, this is a virus file, I want to delete it, okay. So what I will do, okay, now I will modify, just to see it, I will put one character, okay. So that entire data will get changed here, okay. I will put one dot, okay, one dot I have kept, okay. I will write this file, okay. Now I will see the MD5 sum, my file will be changed now,
Yeah, it will change everything.
okay. The signature got changed.
Yeah.
This is how that polymorphic virus will work, okay. It will tell, okay, so it will keep on changing its signature so that antivirus will not detect it,
Okay.
okay. So that is one type of virus, okay.
Okay.